Hello guys, today we'd like to show an anti-jamming module. We call it RTK-A. Upgrade your drone with this module, then you can operate your drone even if there are countermeasures by a drone jamming gun in the working environment. We will demonstrate the anti-jamming module with the help of two drones, one without the module and the other with the module. Let's see the working performance of the first drone. The drone does not have an anti-jamming module, just a normal drone with the GNSS module for positioning. We fly the drone 150 meters away from the pilot. Turn on the jamming gun and point towards the drone. The app reminds GPS signal is weak, and the satellite quantity is about to 0. That is to say, a drone only with a GNSS module can hardly fly in the airspace, which is restricted by a jamming gun. Now, let's have a try with the second drone, including the anti-jamming module RTK-A. There is an actual cylindrical antenna coming together with the module. We turn on the jamming gun when the drone is 150 meters away. You see, the satellite quantity decreases from 41 to 14. The drone is hovering over there. The drone with RTK-A is protected against the jamming gun, so the pilot can still control the drone.